What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video we're going to be discussing the crypto markets. Bitcoin did just hit $40,000, now having a small pullback. So we do have some FUD with Tether today that I do want to go over, as well as some other major things happening in the crypto space. Also discussing the speculation of Amazon accepting crypto as payment. So we're going to go into details on this and the possibilities with this and where I see the markets headed over the next week as well. Before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified for my daily crypto videos. Alright guys, so it's definitely been a big week in the cryptocurrency space, starting off with that B-word event where Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk, and Cathie Wood discussed the future of Bitcoin. Elon Musk dropping the announcement that SpaceX owns Bitcoin, that he also personally owns Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum and Dogecoin, but also stating he owns much more Bitcoin than Ethereum or Doge. So very interesting there. He didn't disclose how much Bitcoin SpaceX owns. I'm sure it's over $1 billion worth though. We also have word of Twitter going in heavier on cryptocurrencies, adding more utility, doing various things in the future. And I do think Twitter will be acquiring a large amount of Bitcoin soon. So some interesting things happening here. We did break $40,000 Bitcoin today, which is pretty huge. Retesting that after dropping to $29,000. Now having a small pullback to $37,000. But definitely a good sign if we do hold above 35,000 in my opinion. I don't think we're out of the woods yet, and I don't think we're going to be on a recovery to all-time highs anytime soon, unless we do get a massive announcement like Amazon confirming they will be accepting crypto as payment by end of year. So Amazon did make a statement about this. Lots of news sites covering this as well. We also have some Tether FUD today, which is causing some extra panic. So the Tether FUD that is circulating is nothing to be alarmed about in the short term, in my opinion. If something bad does happen with Tether, I do think this would cause a big market crash temporarily, but I do think the crypto space will continue growing with or without Tether. And I do think this will play out years in court if this does happen. So Tether being investigated for possible bank fraud, CNBC covering this, basically just citing the Bloomberg article. So Tether did post a statement here on their website going over this. Tether responds to Bloomberg article. Today, Bloomberg publishes an article based on unnamed sources and year-old allegations, patently designed to generate clicks. This article follows a pattern of repackaging stale claims as news. So they're just claiming they're repackaging old news just to generate clicks and traffic. And this could be some targeted manipulation as well. So shortly after Tether made this response to the Bloomberg article, someone did DDoS the Tether website, preventing people from reading Tether's statement on this. So this could definitely be some market manipulation, although there are some things to be concerned about with Tether and the people behind the Tether company. All right, guys, so here's the job listing that Amazon posted, looking to hire for digital currency and blockchain product lead. Very interesting. It does show they're looking to get into cryptocurrency and blockchain, possibly creating their own cryptocurrency, as well as accepting other cryptocurrencies as payment, from what we've heard from an insider. Of course, they are denying this right now, but regardless, this is hard proof that Amazon is looking into this. So in the description, the payment acceptance and experience team is seeking an experienced product leader to develop Amazon's digital currency. So developing Amazon's digital currency, suggesting they're looking to create their own cryptocurrency, and blockchain strategy and product roadmap. You will leverage your domain expertise in blockchain, distributed ledger, central bank digital currencies, and cryptocurrency to develop the case for the capabilities which should be developed, drive overall vision and product strategy, and gain leadership buy-in and investment for new capabilities. You'll work closely with teams across Amazon, including AWS, to develop the roadmap, including the customer experience, technical strategy and capabilities, as well as the launch strategy. So nothing in this about Amazon accepting cryptos as payment, but the possibility of Amazon creating their own cryptocurrency is pretty massive for the entire crypto space. If they do this, they'll most likely accept that as payment, along with a few other top cryptos. From what the insider stated, they would be accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and Bitcoin Cash as payment to start. So we'll see how things go with that. They are denying that currently, but regardless, this is making mainstream news. This is spreading across the entire crypto space. Article on Bloomberg here. Amazon job posting hints at plan to accept cryptocurrency. Another one on CNN Business here, stating Amazon posted a crypto job. Bitcoin surges 15%. And then Bitcoin.com. Jeff Bezos directs Amazon to accept Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies, says report. Yahoo Finance as well. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies surge on Amazon payment rumor. So this is spreading all over the internet. a lot of money coming into the space, but the volumes on Bitcoin and other top cryptos are still pretty low compared to where we were when we were over $50,000 Bitcoin. So I really think we need more confirmation of this. But regardless, that Amazon job listing does give some hard proof to this, that they are exploring creating their own cryptocurrency, looking to get into blockchain, possibly accepting other cryptocurrencies as payment, all huge things for the crypto space and mass adoption of crypto in general. This is the biggest company in the world looking to create their own crypto and accept top cryptos as payment, which would really set this to new all-time highs in my opinion. So if we do get any type of confirmation from Amazon on this, I do think Bitcoin would be surging back to all-time highs. And I do think Amazon would acquire a large amount of Bitcoin and other top cryptos as well, just to hold on their balance sheet. So this article on City AM goes over some of the quotes from the insider that I'm going to quickly go over. So Amazon definitely lining up Bitcoin payment and token, confirms insider. Amazon is looking to accept Bitcoin as payment by end of the year and is investigating its own token for 2022. So by end of year is pretty quick here if they're just now hiring, but from what this insider is stating, they've already had this in production since 2019. So stating they will start with Bitcoin as payment, then quickly move into Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, among some other top 10 cryptos. It won't take long because the plans are already there and they have been working on them since 2019. Pretty crazy if that is true. That's going to be massive. So that's definitely reason to believe they could roll this out by end of year. But if they're just now hiring to get this developed, then I definitely think it's going to take some more time than by end of 2021. So this entire project is pretty much ready to roll, states the insider. When all these crypto ducks are lined up, there's another twist to push things even further into Amazon's favor, a native token, says the insider. So that's pretty huge as well if they create their own cryptocurrency among accepting top cryptos as payment, on top of acquiring Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for their balance sheet, all massive things. That's definitely going to put us back on track to break $100,000 Bitcoin by end of year. Of course, this is just speculation right now, and this is not confirmed by Amazon, but I really don't think Amazon will confirm this until they're further and closer to actually launching this. So this is then becomes a multi-level infrastructure where you can pay for goods and services or earn tokens in a loyalty scheme. So some use case coming out of Amazon's native token. There's a little more to it for now, but you can guarantee the Bitcoin plan will be monitored closely as opportunities with Amazon's own version of a crypto will be explored. So that's kind of what that job listing here is stating they're hiring for, is someone to help lead their own digital currency, stating Amazon's own digital currency and blockchain strategy and product roadmap. So I think what would be even bigger than Amazon accepting crypto as payment is them acquiring billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency to hold on their balance sheet. I think this would have a snowball effect and cause dozens of companies to follow suit very quickly and acquire large amounts of Bitcoin, causing a supply shock and causing massive retail FOMO at the same time. So we have no idea what this entails at this point and when this is going to be rolling out, but it does show Amazon is exploring this, which is a good thing regardless. So we'll see by end of year if they announce anything or if they actually start accepting Bitcoin as payment, if they announce that they acquired a large amount of Bitcoin. We'll see what happens here, but I definitely think this is good for the crypto space and mass adoption in general, and I definitely think we're headed in the right direction here. So with Bitcoin testing $40,000, holding up pretty well right now at $37,000, I definitely think we will be on a steady rise here unless Amazon comes out and says all of this is false. Then that could definitely cause a crash here. Of course, there's going to be other FUD. We still have regulations and things coming into play. We have that deadline that we did talk about for US regulations on the 28th. So we'll see what happens with that. I do think we're going to be bouncing around between $30,000 and $40,000 still for quite some time, unless we get confirmation from Amazon or some other massive news of a company acquiring billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. So definitely some huge possibilities here with Amazon. Twitter's getting into crypto heavier. Lots of things happening, pushing crypto towards mass adoption still. But we do have to keep in mind, we're still in a phase of uncertainty and fear. We have regulations being considered, and until the majority of regulations pass, I definitely think there's going to be a high level of fear in the market still. But if we do get some confirmation from Amazon on this in the next few weeks, I definitely think that's going to give us the boost we need to break out of accumulation. Until then, I do see us bouncing between 30,000 and 40,000 still, and I will be dollar cost averaging anytime we're in the low 30s. So we'll see how things go. Very interesting times here and huge possibilities on the horizon. So that's it for today's crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, I do appreciate it if you guys liked the video, comment below, and share this video with anyone that may find it useful. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.